Hey guys, welcome to our new video. So today we got 2011 BMW 3 Series 328X drive, and today we are changing eccentric shaft sensor seal. It's basically on the top of the engine, and oil is dripping from there, from down there. It's located down there, so it's dripping from there and it's going into ignition coils. So car start misfiring. So let's start. So first of all, to remove all this, you need to unbolt these 4 screw over there and you can pop it out. And to open this engine cover, we need an Allen key. There are 4 bolts over there which we have to remove. So let's start it. So once you are done with removing the engine cover and the uh, cabin air filter housing over there, right? So you have to remove these ignition coils step by step. And to open this up, you have to just pop that out and unplug that one. So once you unplug all them, you can just pull it out like this, and that's our eccentric shaft sensor, sorry, eccentric shaft actuator. So we are changing the seal of this one. You can see the leakage over there, so we have to open this up. So once you are done with removing all the stuff, so we have one screw over there, it's 1/4, and one screw over there 1/4. You can open it with the wrench, and then you can take a Allen key, and you can see there's a hole over there. You have to insert that Allen key over there and turn it clockwise until it start resisting. So once you are done with this, we have to open these 2 screws. One is over there and one is over there. And to open this screw, you can use T30 bit to open that up. After removing these bolts, you have to use 4 mm Allen key again, and now this time you have to rotate this to anti-clockwise direction to release the tension from that, so that it will come out automatically. Once you start rotating that 4 mm Allen key, it will pop it out automatically, and you can see the seal is already done and it's leaking oil from here to down there. So basically we are replacing that whole part. To remove this, you have to just pull it out and it will come out, and you can see it's leaking oil from everywhere. So we are replacing our new part which I ordered from Amazon. I ordered Volcor gasket, oil filter housing gasket, and that one together, some like $120. So once you take it out, just put it back and tighten everything. That's how you can do the eccentric shaft sensor. Sorry, that's not a eccentric shaft sensor, it's a Valvetronic motor gasket. So my bad, I said eccentric shaft sensor in the whole video, so just ignore that guys. That's a Valvetronic motor gasket. Okay guys, once you put it back, we have 2 screws over there. These are T30. You can tighten them, and then we're gonna put our Valvetronic motor. So here is our motor. You can just put it back. It's a simple job like this. You can put it back and put screw over there. There are 2 screws over there. We have to put them so that it can hold them. It can hold the motor. Yeah. So before putting this screw, we have to use that Allen key and put it over there and just rotate it clockwise so that it can fit properly. And now you can see it's not moving, so it's easy for us now to put screw over there. So after tightening this screw, we have to put Allen key again in that hole, and now we have to rotate it in anti-clockwise direction so that we can release the tension on this one. So after tightening the screw, you can plug it back and you can put all the coils back and plug it. That's it. That's how you can change the Valvetronic motor gasket. Thanks guys.